So first is get data, second is data modeling, third is report building, that is visualization, and fourth is your share data. So whatever data we have created, whatever reports we have created into Power BI desktop, we need to share that. That is about the fourth point, share data, share and collaborate the data. So here we are talking about our Power BI service, and it is also called as powerbi.com, powerbi.com. So it is a cloud-based service or cloud-based software where you can share your reports with your colleagues, with your management or a stakeholder, and you can start working it live. So this is a cloud-based software. Let me give you a simple example like how this cloud-based work. Suppose if I have an Excel file in my on premises, or I can call it as on my laptop, I have an Excel file and I am working on this. Suppose I have ID, I have name, and I have age and something like this, and I keep on adding few records on this, and I want to share this file with any of my colleague or my senior. So what I'll do, I have to mail them every time. So you can just imagine same, we have a report and we have built a report and we have to send it to someone. You can mail it, obviously you can mail, there is no harm in that. But if you want to change something in this, so again you have to create a second version of this, and you have to save it, and again you have to send it, third version, fourth version. And if your data is keep on adding every day, so every day you have to make a new version and you have to save it, and again you have to mail it. So there is so much tedious task on this. So rather than using this, if I suggest you to use a cloud based Excel, you can use Microsoft's Excel cloud based, or you can use the Google Sheet also. Like let me open this. Yeah, so this will open, or this will have a cloud based sheet. Now you can start working on this. Like you can start working on this. Suppose I give ID and name, and if I give you age or salary, and if I start sharing this, suppose if I want to share it with my, I'll just write any title for this. So this is a just for a demo purpose. Yeah, so now if I start sharing this, so I can share it with my any company people, and I can share it with any of my friends, and I can share this link with them. So whoever has got this link, they can easily open it, they can watch this what I'm doing, and I can work this online simultaneously. So this is exactly what your cloud service means. So what we are doing, we are publishing this report. So whatever report we have created this, we are publishing that into the cloud. So we have an option here like publish, share and publish. So this will like take care of publishing your report online in the Power BI service. So the Power BI service is similar to your Power BI desktop. There is a lot of there is some difference. Once we open the Power BI service, we will see that in detail. And in a simple and layman's language, we are taking our report from our desktop and we are publishing that into the cloud, so that you can share it with your friends, you can share it with your manager and the stakeholders, and you can together work on that report. So if I click on publish report, it will ask you to save it first. So you can save that report. So you can say it is a report demo, and you can click on OK, and it will ask you to sign in first. So without sign in you cannot, yeah, it will ask you for your email address. Without email address you cannot publish your report. And if you are mentioning your personal email address, it will not work, because Power BI need a organizational or your company's email address to publish it to the Power BI desktop. You can see if you pick Naval the Gmail, so it is saying that you cannot sign in with your personal account. You either use a work account or a school account instead of that. So if you click on publish, this is your entire report. So this report consists of these all pages. So whatever you have saved, it will have all the pages in the report. So report consists of multiple pages, and when you click on publish, all your pages will be published, not one page. Yeah, let me search on Power BI service, or you can use powerbi.com also. Let me use powerbi.com. Yeah, so it will ask you for the sign in, obviously, and let me open this. Yeah, it will ask you for the your work or your school's email address. Yeah, first I'll show you some documentation regarding the Power BI service, and then we'll explore this Power BI service later on. So Power BI is a collection of software services like apps and connectors that work together to help you create, share, and consume business insights in the way that serves you and your business more effectively. The Microsoft Power BI service, sometimes referred as a Power BI Online, or it is as a SaaS, that is called as a software as a service, part of the Power BI. Okay, so you can see creating a report in the service. So what you can do in Power BI service, what you cannot do in the Power BI service, we are going to see all that in detail. So you can compare your Power BI desktop with your Power BI service. I'll be showing in detail in the coming sessions. You will get a clear understanding. So yeah, so what you need for this Power BI service is you need to sign in. So for that sign in, you need any of your work's email address or your company's email address. For example, you may need Naval Yemul at the rate any company's email address. It may be TCS, it may be Infosys, it may be any other email address. Then only you will be able to log in or will be able to see the Power BI service.